Hello, my name is Elizabeth Moylan. Today I will be talking about what geology is, what all geologists study about the Earth, how geology has had an impact on society, and how geology can help us preserve our Earth. In simple terms, geology is the study of the Earth. As we know, though, Earth is made up of many different complex components. Geologists work to better understand these components that make up our Earth. Geologists look at the materials that the Earth is made of and organisms that have roamed the Earth. Geologists also study how Earth has changed over time. They look at the processes that Earth has gone through to make Earth how it is today and all the organisms that have been on the Earth, whether still living or extinct. While looking into the past is a key part of geology, so is looking into the future. With looking at Earth's history and tracking where Earth is at today, geologists can predict things that might happen to the Earth in the future. One example of how geologists are using Earth's history to help figure out the future is with climate change. Looking at the Earth's climate history helps geologists understand why and how our current climate is changing. How geology has impacted society. One major form of geology that has had an impact on society is petroleum geology. Petroleum geologists study the center of the Earth to know where to drill for oil. While oil is not necessarily great for our environment, it does give us a huge resource to make our day-to-day lives easier. Another important material that the Earth provides us, which greatly impacts society, is metals. Geologists conduct studies and projects to help locate mines and rocks that contain these precious metals. Another area of geology that impacts society is the study of plate tectonics. Knowing what these different plate tectonic boundaries do can tell us what we can and cannot build around that boundary. One major thing that does occur on these boundaries that humans have been able to adapt to and learn how to live with thanks to geology are earthquakes. Earthquakes help us know how to inform the people who live in these areas on how to keep safe. Using earthquakes, we have also been able to find out more about the center of our Earth. Using waves given off by earthquakes, we have been able to figure out the different layers of the Earth's center. These waves are called S waves and are produced by earthquakes. We can tell the properties of the different levels of Earth's core based on how fast or how slow these waves move through the layers. Knowing how the Earth works helps geologists know how to preserve it. Geologists play a key role in cleaning up our environment. One big way geologists impact a clean environment is by the purification of water. As we have all heard in recent events, in some areas of the U.S., clean drinking water is scarce. Geologists help us better understand how to purify this water and clean up our environment. Another big way that geology impacts a clean environment is by the use of solar power. Using solar power helps minimize the amount of greenhouse gases being put into our environment. Cleaning up our environment is crucial in preserving our Earth. This would not be possible without geologists studying the ins and outs of the Earth, so we know how and what to do to preserve it. Geology has helped us figure out our Earth's history, discover how Earth has gotten to be how it is today, helped give us valuable resources that help us in our daily lives, and has helped us learn how to preserve it. Geology is forever changing and we are forever finding out new things about our Earth.